want to consider this very question. Jamb 2008, question 9. If 1 plus root 2 over 1 minus root 2 is expressed in the form x plus y root 2, find the values of x and y. We have options and we are expected to pick one at the end of the solution. Okay, we want to see what we need to do to this very problem. Okay, we have it as 1 plus root 2 all over 1 minus root 2. This is what we have here. This is what we have. Now, can you see? We have a fraction. We have a fraction, and at the denominator, we have a surd. Now, what can we do? We need to take the conjugate of the denominator and use that same conjugate to rationalize the fraction. Okay, I will now have something like this. I'm going to have 1 plus root 2 all over 1 minus root 2. Okay, taking the conjugate was 1 plus root 2. I will use that conjugate to rationalize the fraction. Become 1 plus root 2 all over 1 plus root 2. I need to use the conjugate to multiply the numerator and also the denominator. Now, what I have here now is simply multiplication. I need to, okay, let me bring them together. Okay, this is what I have here. This is what I have here. For the numerator, that is what I have. While for the denominator, I will also bring it together. Let me bring it together. I have 1 minus 2. Okay, and then I also have 1 plus root 2. This is what I have at the denominator. Okay, now what can we now do? Now I need to expand the numerator and I will also expand the denominator. Let me now resolve the numerator first. I have 1 plus root 2 and also 1 plus root 2. Now to expand this, I will simply multiply. It means that 1 times 1 is going to be 1. 1 times root 2, I will have 2. Okay, this one will also times 1 become root 2. Okay, plus times plus is going to be plus. Root 2 times root 2 is root 4. I'm going to have root 4. Now I need to still go further. Okay, we have a common surd. Okay, I'm going to have 2 root 2 if I have this 2. Okay, for this one is a perfect square, I'll have 2. The root of 4 is 2. Now 1 and 2 can be added. 1 plus 2, I will have 3. Because 3 plus 2 root 2. That's what I will have at the end of the expansion. That's 1 for the numerator. Okay, I need to now repeat here. Become 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, now let us see the next thing I need to do. I need to also expand the one at the denominator. Okay, for this one, if I expand it at the end of it, the way I did this, the way I apply this one, the way I expand this one, the same way I also expand this very one. Okay, now if I expand this one, I'm going to have this very result at the end. That's 1 square minus 2 square. This is what I will have at the end. Okay, for the numerator, it cannot be resolved because I've taught you something like this. Under the rules of surd, I've taught you something like this, addition rule. Okay, I've taught you something like this for the numerator. Okay, now looking at the denominator, it can be resolved. I can simplify it. Okay, I will have to repeat the numerator. Become 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, while for the denominator, I will have 1 because 1 square is 1. While this square here will kill the root, I will have 2 at the end there. Okay, now I need to still go further. It means that if 1 as minus 2, it will give me a negative result. Okay, it will give me minus 1. Okay, let me now see now. I want to remove this very part so that I can proceed. Okay, now for that one, I have, okay, remember I told you for the numerator, it cannot be resolved. I need to repeat it, become 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, if I minus this very one, I will have a negative result. I will have a negative result. This is what I will have at the end. Okay, this one simply means that minus 1 carry 3, and also minus 1 also carry plus 2 root 2. Okay, that is what it means here. Okay, for this one now, for the one of 3, we have it as plus 3. Plus divide minus is minus. 3 divide 1, I will have 3. Okay, plus divide minus, I will also have minus. Root 2, that 2 root 2 divide 1, I will have 2 root 2. You need that this one will be my final result there. I will now have my answer. Okay, I'm going to have my answer as minus 3 minus 2 root 2. This is what I will have. Okay, this one will be the final result. Now, but in the question, we're asked to look for the value of x and y. I mean, determine the value of x and y. Now, to do that, I need to bring my result to this very side. Okay, now this is the form we say we should leave it. Okay, it means that this is the form we already done that. Okay, I have x plus y root 2. Okay, now equal this very one. That is minus 3 minus 2 root 2. This is what I have. Okay, for this very one, I need to compare the both sides of the equation. Okay, for this x, this is the position of x. Now it means that, see, this one is coming as the first position. I will compare with this. This one is also coming as first. Therefore, I will now say x is equal minus 3. Okay, for the other one I have here as y is at the back of the 2. Can you see? Okay, which one is at the back of the 2 here? On the right hand side, we have this one here, which is a minus 2. It's at the back of the 2. I will now say y is equal minus 2. Therefore, I cannot say that x, y become this, that is minus 3. Okay, that is for the value of x, y for the y is minus 2. Now let me now see if I have such in the option. Okay, we have it here. Look at it. The best option is A. Yes, I'm very correct. The best option is A. That is minus 3 minus 2. Okay, we can stop at this very point. We can stop at this very point. Okay, we can. Okay. We still need this very one. 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 Okay, now I can end the class here so that we can proceed to the next question. Thank you very much for staying on the platform, Jamb Online Mathematics. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.